Oh, hey, thank you for tuning in. This is the last episode of the How to Style Your Box Braid series. But other than that, this is also a 2-in-1 because I just wanted to have fun with it. So let's get into this video. So I'm going to be using SUVA Beauty's Hydra liners and brushes, specifically the 610. This is what it looks like to create this look. But if you've never heard of SUVA Beauty Hydra liners, make sure that you check out the links down below and up top. I not only link down my review on it, but I also link down another fellow YouTuber's whose name is Beccaboo. She inspired me to get into Hydra liners, and I definitely wanted to give her the credit. Now, with that being said, I definitely wanted to just play around with it and just see what kind of look I can create. That is exactly why I did not add any shadows or anything on my lid or even primed my lid, because this Hydra liner, well, all of them actually, are activated with water. So it's like the moment you touch it with water, it's over. It gets erased. So I just wanted to have fun with it. And hey, if you want to perfect your craft, practicing is the best way to do it. So patience is definitely key, and making sure that you take your time to have the eyeliner come out exactly how you want it to. I love this one specifically. It doesn't crack, it's very pigmented, and it just pops. Now, after making sure that I perfected it and got it to where I wanted, the easiest thing about this liner, and all of them actually, again, is that they are activated with water. So once I was officially done and satisfied with where my liner was, I had to clean it up. So I just took a Q-tip with some water on it, not too much water, you don't want it dripping all over the place, but just enough water to wet the Q-tip and just simply clean up that liner. As you can see, the cleanup process is very easy, and I encourage anyone who's interested in these type of liners to definitely go for it and give it a try. Best believe I will be perfecting this craft, and I'm gonna come out with some amazing looks, so stay tuned for that. Moving right along, I wanted to grab some nail art tools, and you can find this at like your beauty supply store, Amazon, and I wanted to just add some dots right above my crease. I am going in with the shade Scrunchie, and I'm adding 3 dots above my crease on each side. Now, if you're into detail like me, you know that I already messed it up because the left side is higher and nicely placed and the right side is not. So after fixing it, this is the look that I have so far, but that's not enough for me. So I wanted to go in with the shade Dance Party, which is a nice yellow liner, and I wanted to add 2 more dots above that. And this is what it looks like with my hair down. Pretty simple, but I didn't want to leave my hair down for this video. I definitely just wanted to put it up, at least half of it. So grabbing braids in no particular order, I am just twisting it back, and I will be securing it with a hair tie. Now, of course, this is where you have the freedom to style your hair in any way that you please. You may want to put some of it up in a top knot. You may want to pick up all of it in a top knot. Maybe you want some hoops. Maybe you want some accessories, a little bit of bling so that your hair isn't just without any pop. But I was literally going for something just simple, nothing complicated whatsoever. Just get the hair out of my face so that you can actually focus on my eyes. Now, once that is officially done, I'm going to give you a nice little view of the back. This is what it looks like. Boom, what do you think? And I'm going in with Mish's Hydrating Twisting Butter for my edges. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't really like to use too much gel on my edges. I rather just use a leave-in conditioner because it just works just as good, at least for me and at least for my hair, depending how much I use. But today I definitely wanted to slick my hair back, not my hair, my edges back, so that it can have more of a clean look. And this is what I have. Now you can definitely leave the look just as is. I wanted to go in with a little bit of concealer to put under my bags, conceal them a bit. This is what I have, but since I feel as though my face was looking a little uneven, I am just going in with my MAC Studio Finish Foundation, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. Now that that's done, I wanted to add a little bit of highlighter, so I'm grabbing It's My Ray Ray's First palette in the shade Radiant and just applying that to my cheekbones and the tip of my nose. Unfortunately, the lighting isn't too great, so it doesn't give this highlighter justice, but it is everything. So after finishing up my mascara, a little bit of oomph, it's coming together slowly. I'm going to be doing my lips, so I'm going to be taking a nice nude pink undertone lip, applying that on there. And then I'm just going to be applying some lip gloss. Super simple, right? Let me know what you think about this look. Again, I find beauty as a form of art, and I love trying out new things. Even though I do see some imperfections, I embrace it. So stay positive, stay blessed, and I will catch you next time.